and gentlemen, I am Haley C, and welcome to my YouTube channel, That Fit with Haley Vibes. In this video, we are talking on arm fat burner or 10-min slim arm workout, or seated and beginner friendly say goodbye to stubborn arm fat and hello to sculpted toned arms, all from the comfort of your chair. This 10-minute seated arm workout is beginner friendly yet powerfully effective, designed to torch calories, tighten flabby arms, and define lean muscles without any equipment. Every move is low impact but high results, perfect for anyone ready to burn fat, build strength, and feel confident. Let's fire up those arms. Your transformation starts now. Let's start by grounding ourselves. Sit up tall, shoulders relaxed, feet flat on the floor. Take a slow breath in and exhale gently. This first phase is all about waking up those arm muscles, getting the blood flowing, joints loosened, and your body aligned for real activation. Move your arms in slow, deliberate motions, feeling every stretch and contraction. You're not rushing this. You're connecting to it. Think of this as your warm-up, but also your preparation for strength. As your arms move, feel the muscles come alive. Biceps, triceps, shoulders, all starting to communicate, ready to work together. Keep your chest open, posture strong, and core slightly engaged. This moment sets the tone for everything that follows. Remember, when you start with focus and control, you end with power and results. Every small movement is progress, and every breath builds strength. You're not just warming up, you're setting the foundation for change. Now that your arms are awake and your energy's flowing, let's move into slow, controlled arm circles. Keep your core tight and shoulders relaxed as you extend your arms out to the sides. Start with small circles, gentle and steady, feeling that smooth rotation in your shoulder joints. This movement improves mobility, builds endurance, and activates all those small stabilizing muscles that often get ignored. As you move, imagine creating resistance in the air, like you're sculpting shape and strength with every circle. Focus on your breathing. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you rotate. If you start to feel the burn, that's good. That means your muscles are waking up, responding, changing. Keep your form steady, your movements intentional. This isn't about speed, it's about control. Each rotation builds tone, strength, and confidence. Stay with it. That slow burn, that's your reminder that transformation is already happening. One circle at a time, take a deep breath and bring your focus to the back of your arms. This is where real toning begins, with your palms facing in. Gently extend your arms straight back, squeezing your triceps at the end of each movement. Keep your chest lifted and spine tall as you move with control. Feel that contraction at the top? That's the muscle working to tighten and define. These tricep extensions might look simple, but the key is precision. No swinging, no rushing, just mindful, steady engagement. The more intentional you are, the deeper the muscle activation. Picture your arms getting stronger, leaner, and more sculpted with every repetition. When you feel that burn kick in, don't back off. That's your cue that you're doing it right. Keep breathing, keep pushing through it. Remember, this is where change is built. Not in comfort, but in those moments when you choose to stay consistent and finish strong. Now we're going to shift into small control pulses. One of the most effective ways to sculpt lean definition. Extend your arms out to the sides and hold them steady, palms facing slightly upward. You'll start to feel that familiar burn within seconds, and that's exactly where you want to be. These tiny pulses engage the slow twitch muscle fibers that build endurance and tone, shaping your arms without needing any equipment. Stay mindful of your posture. Shoulders down, chest open, spine tall. Keep your core engaged and your breath steady as the tension builds. It's not about big movements. It's about staying in control when it starts to feel intense. The shake you feel isn't weakness, it's progress. Every pulse represents strength, focus, and control. Hold on just a little longer. Breathe through it, and remember, it's in these small, consistent efforts that lasting results are born. Stay steady. Stay strong. You're sculpting your best self right here. Lift your arms slowly to shoulder height, palms facing down, and keep your movements smooth and controlled. This exercise strengthens your shoulders and upper arms while improving posture and balance. The goal isn't speed, it's precision. As you raise your arms, keep your core tight and your spine tall. Feel the resistance in your muscles as they work to stabilize and lift. This motion sculpts long, lean lines across your shoulders and arms, helping you build strength that supports everyday movement. If your arms start to shake, embrace it. That's your muscles adapting and growing stronger. Focus on the rhythm of your breath. Inhale as you lower, exhale as you lift. Keep your energy grounded and intentional. Every control lift is a signal to your body. We're building confidence, we're building power. Stay consistent, stay focused, and remember, strength isn't about how fast you move, it's about how mindfully you rise through the challenge. Now let's bring the energy down and give your arms the recovery they've earned. Slowly roll your shoulders back, letting the tension melt away. Extend your arms overhead and take a deep, steady breath in. Feel that gentle stretch travel through your shoulders, triceps, and chest. This cooldown isn't just about flexibility. It's about balance. Stretching allows your muscles to reset, recover, and grow stronger after all that focused work. With every exhale, release any stiffness or strain, letting your body settle into calm strength. Move your arms across your chest and behind your back, opening up the chest and improving posture. Keep your breathing slow and mindful. You've built heat, and now you're restoring harmony. This is where you honor the effort you've put in. Every movement counts, even the ones that seem quiet. Remember, recovery is part of the transformation. It's how your body rebuilds strength and your mind reconnects to balance. You've earned this moment. Stay proud, stay consistent, stay moving.